Welcome to Startup Maths, guys. Today we continue with the second Arabic in exercise 1.4 and from the Roman 4th on class 12 NCERT. Fine. So what is given on Z plus A star B is 2 power AB. Okay. So let's check for any two numbers. Okay. So 1 comma 2, 1 star 2, that is equal to 2 power 1 into 2, that is 2 power 2, that is equal to 4. Then 2 star 1 is 2 power 2 into 1, that is equal to 2 power 2, that is equal to 4. So we can check for 2 comma 3. So 2 star 3 is 2 power 6, then 3 star 2 is 2 power 6. Therefore it is commutative. So now let's check for the associative. So we will take 3 positive integers 1, 2, 3. So 1 star 2 star 3, that is equal to 1 star 2 power 2 3s are 6. So what is 2 power 6? 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. So 8 8s are 64. So 1 star 2 power 6 is 1 star 64. Okay. So now what is 1 star 64? So 2 to the power. Okay. So A into B, 1 into 64, that is equal to 2 power 64. Now we will perform 1 star 2 star 3. Okay, so what is 1 star 2? 2 power 1 into 2. Okay, so star 3, that is equal to 4 star 3. So that is equal to 2 power 4 3s are 12. So both have different values, therefore it is not, star is not associative. So coming to the fifth Roman, on Z plus A star B is A power B. Okay, so let's check for the commutative. So we will take two values 1 comma 2. So 1 star 2 is 1 power 2, that is 1. 2 star 1 is 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. Therefore star is not commutative. Okay, so we'll check for associative. We'll take three different values 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 star 3 star 4, that is equal to 2 star. Okay, so 3 power 4. So what is 3 power 4? 3 power 4 is 81. Okay, so 2 star 81 is 2 power 81. So now 2 star 3 star 4, so that is equal to 2 power 3 star 4, that is 8 star 4. Okay, so that is equal to 8 power 4. So 8 is 2 cube to the power 4, so 2 power 12. So both have different values, so it is not associative. So star is not associative. So let's check for the last Roman, sixth one, on or, that is real numbers. A star B is A by B plus 1. So B cannot be minus 1. Then it will be divided by 0. So it is indeterminate form. So it is given except the minus 1. Okay. So let's check for commutative. So we take 1 comma 2. So 1 star 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 3. So 2 star 1. 2 by, okay, 1 plus 1. So 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So star is not commutative. Checking for the associative, we will take 1 comma 2 comma 3. So 1 star 2 star 3, that is equal to 1 star. 2 star 3 is 2 divided by 3 plus 1. So 1 star 2 by 4. So that is equal to 1 star 1 by 2. So that is equal to first value divided by half plus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 3. So now we will check 1 star 2 star 3. So 1 by 2 plus 1 star 3. So that is equal to 1 by 3 star 3 equal to, okay, so 1 by 3 divided by 3 plus 1 equals 1 by 3 by 4 equals 1 by 12. So both have different values. Therefore, star is not associative. Thanks guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe.